At Toyota, we strongly believe in research and technology to create a carbon-neutral society. One of the building blocks for a cleaner future is hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Hydrogen is supported by our partners, by authorities, and more by the public. Since 1992, Toyota has invested in fuel cell research, continuously developing the technology. Now, we are introducing the second-generation fuel cell module. Thanks to elaborate testing, analysis, and checking with our partners and customers, the fuel cell system has been constantly improved. The second-generation system takes Toyota's advanced fuel cell technology and repackages it into a compact and versatile module. It allows Toyota's latest fuel cell quality and know-how to be readily available in 2 different configurations to better fit in a variety of applications. And on our pilot manufacturing line right here in Europe, the modules are assembled by an experienced team of specially selected engineers.
This assembly line has been fully built based on the exact TPS principles that has made the Toyota brand synonymous with high quality over so many years. Our number one job is to make sure that these modules that we're building have fully built-in quality, we're safe while we're doing it and provide safety to the customer, and we've got full traceability. So we know 100% that the quality is built in.
Every fuel cell module is assembled with extreme care and attention, with every single detail documented and traced. After completion, the assembly quality is carefully confirmed through a series of functional tests.
From day one, your safety, quality, and standardised work, and that's what we brought here. It's key. Everything has its position, so you know where it is. It works, it's safe, and we produce quality from it as well.
And we, as Toyota, are capable to produce at any scale. Hydrogen is one of the contributors of tomorrow's cleaner, greener society, and Toyota is ready today. Toyota's second-generation fuel cell module, made in Europe.